Welcome to this video on Chat vs Google Bard, the battle of our writing assistants. In today's world, where digital communication and online presence are crucial, creating engaging content is essential. However, not everyone has the time, skills, or resources to consistently produce quality content. That's where our writing assistants come in. These tools have revolutionized the way we create content, making it easier and faster than ever before. In this video, we'll be exploring the benefits of our writing assistants and how they can help you improve your writing skills and create compelling content. So, let's dive. Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years, and now it's starting to have a significant impact on the world of writing. With tools like Chat and Google Bard, writers can quickly create content that's both informative and engaging. But which one is better? In this video, we'll be comparing Chat and Google Bard to see which our writing assistant reigns supreme. Body. Segment 1. Understanding Chat. Chat is a cutting-edge language model that was created by OpenAI. It uses a vast database of information to generate high-quality content in a wide range of fields. From blog posts to marketing copy, Chat is a versatile tool that can help you create content in no time. It can also help you improve your writing skills by suggesting better sentence structure and grammar. Segment 2. Introducing Google Bard. Google Bard is a new writing assistant that was recently released by Google. It uses machine learning algorithms to help writers create content that's both informative and engaging. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Google Bard can quickly analyze text and suggest improvements to sentence structure, tone, and word choice. Segment 3. Features of Chat. One of the most significant benefits of using Chat is its ability to generate content on a wide range of topics. With its massive database of information, Chat can quickly create high-quality content that's both informative and engaging. It can also suggest improvements to your writing style, helping you to become a better writer over time. Segment 4. Features of Google Bard. Google Bard is a powerful tool that can help you create content that's both informative and engaging. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze your text and suggest improvements to your writing style. It can also help you to generate content on a wide range of topics, making it a versatile tool for writers of all levels. Segment 5. Which one should you choose? When it comes to choosing between Chat and Google Bard, it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. Both tools offer a range of advanced features that can help you to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Ultimately, the tool that you choose will depend on your specific needs and preferences. In the end, both Chat and Google Bard are powerful tools that can help you to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. While they have many similarities, they also have some distinct differences that may make one more suitable for your needs than the other. Ultimately, the choice is up to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on new videos and it really helps support my channel. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.